Today we're flying from Fort Lauderdale, Florida to Statesville, North Carolina. Jump seats available. Come along.
Welcome aboard, everybody. We're here with Jorge from the Jorge Pilot channel that this has now become.
I'm taking over, guys.
You certainly take it over.
Number 6 Charlie Bravo, fly southbound.
Had a beautiful flight today, heading out to Statesville. So, welcome aboard.
Runway 316, Charlie.
Okay, right taxiway Bravo over ground air tractor 579er.
315.
You'll see.
I'll let you fix it when it's wrong.
As usual.
You being wrong? Yes.
Number 416 Charlie Tower, runway 27, line up and wait, traffic Cessna 3 mile final, additional traffic landing on 31, we'll hold short your runway.
27, line up and wait, 841 Sierra Charlie.
Number 0 Tango Whiskey, say parking.
I see the traffic on the left.
Number 0 Tango Whiskey.
You're clear on the right, yeah, sort of.
Line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 27.
Number 10 Charlie, fly heading 270, maintain 2000, runway 27, clear for takeoff, wind 33010, gust 19er.
Heading 270, 2000, runway 27, clear for takeoff, 841 Sierra Charlie.
I see 27.
Transponders on, pitot heaters on, any eyes not required, lights as required.
Landing on 31, holding short of your runway.
Ignitions on, APR standing by, 4 flames on the panel. We're ready, dude.
It is 125, clear to land, have the traffic on the runway.
Power is set.
APR is armed. Airspeed's alive, both sides. 90 knots.
Cross check.
B1, rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up. Yaw.
Tires towards 3,
Approaching 400 feet.
Alright, flaps up.
Holding short runway 30.
Flaps up.
We were waiting on your release, got it now, have landing traffic.
Thank you. Executive Tower 92 Romeo X-ray inbound visual 27.
92 Romeo X-ray, Executive Tower, reduce to your final approach speed, continue
270 heading.
Position.
We're slowing.
270 heading.
November 10 Charlie, contact Miami departure today.
Our departure so long, 10 Charlie.
And break heel Mike.
Departure hello, November 841 Sierra Charlie, leveling at 2000, heading 270.
Number 841 Sierra Charlie, Miami departure radar contact, maintain 5000.
5000, 10 Charlie.
Number 86 Whiskey heading
5000 on your window.
5.
0908.
After takeoff, landing gear is off.
Number 2 Romeo X-ray
Jet
contact,
dampers engaged, flaps are up, ignitions off, spoiler retracted, APR off, landing and taxi lights off, hydraulic pressure in the green, anti-ice not required so far. After takeoff checklist complete, then
Roger. Accelerating 250.
Approach Cardinal 7523 Victor.
Number 1 Sierra Charlie heading up to 300, contact approach 12605.
300 on the heading, 2605 the frequency for 10 Charlie, so long.
Number 877 heading of 270.
Let's go.
Checked. Miami, hello, November 8410 Charlie, leveling at 5000, heading 300.
Charlie, Miami departure routing, climb maintain 10,000.
10,000, 10 Charlie.
Nobody else call?
10,000 on your
I
window.
see 10,000.
No. 153 Lima Mike, Miami. Number 153 Lima Mike, Miami. 153 Lima Mike. Yeah, are you not going back to Pompano?
I'm going back to Pompano. I'm just doing, I got a clearance to go down to 2500 and I need to do like a 360 just to get down to altitude.
No.
410 Charlie, turn right, proceed direct to Semtos on the vacant departure.
Right turn direct femto to join the vacate 1, departure 10 Charlie.
Alright, nav's available.
Both
And
sides.
we're naving.
Femto. Oh, nice.
Trying to go the approach.
Yeah.
You're done with the flight already?
I'm ready to come back.
And Bahamas 204.
Alright, 10,000 at your convenience. We are gravitating.
Climb 16,000, Bahamas 204.
10,000 checks, no smoking, fasten seatbelt, that's off, pressurization's checked, we're good, gravity's off.
10 Charlie, climb maintain 13,000.
13,000, 10 Charlie. 13,000 on your window, 10,000 checks complete.
13.
180 next.
Fair wings 438, climb maintain 16,000, traffic's no effect. 60 now, thank you, sir.
April 10 Charlie, Miami Center, climb and maintain flight level 23023, and I have a reroute advice ready, copy.
Alright, that's flight level 230 for 8410 Charlie, go ahead.
And no 10 Charlie, after Stymie, you clear direct Deucin, which is Delta Uniform Charlie Echo November, direct VIAP, Victor India Yankee Alpha Papa, direct Florence, rest route unchanged.
Alright, November 8410 Charlie, after Stymie, direct Deucin, direct VIAP, direct Florence, and rest of the route and change.
One of those at your convenience. We are auto in the green.
There goes my oxygen.
Wing 87, contact Miami Center
180 altimeters.
1269.
Standard 3 times, recognition's off, windshield defog, it's off for now, oxygen pressure's in the green, 180's checked, complete.
Number 10 Charlie, contact Miami Center 125.07.
125.07, 10 Charlie, so on. Miami, hello, November 8410 Charlie, 200, climbing at 230.
Great 410 Charlie, climb maintain flight level 410.
Flight level 410, 10 Charlie.
American 1898.
I see 410.
300.
300, American 1898. 2747, Delta 2087, we'll see you.
See you.
Hey, don't mess with my fly guy.
Took you a second, I was wondering if you're going to catch it.
No, I usually do it like this.
Like it on
just
pitch?
sink it, yeah.
Yeah, but we're in vertical speed, so it's wrong.
220, climbing 330.
Jesus Christ, give me patience, please.
23 left, my center, roger for your final 30.
Why?
Not bad.
5 or 39.
All I want is my bars synced.
Which it
That's
was
all I
with
need.
vertical sync. You go vertical speed and sync it, does the same
And
thing.
then you start playing with your thing, and I gotta be syncing
Whoa,
and syncing and
that's a whole
syncing and
different
syncing.
conversation.
Maintain flight level 390.
You know, turning it up and down and up and down and up and down. And
Just for that, I'm going to turn it down.
see what I mean? Now, if we're good pilots and we're going to transfer the autopilot to my side, we got to do an actual transfer. So we got to do transfer and confirm the flight guidance before we move on. So it is not a big deal not to have the vertical speed here. Just saying, though.
That's a big if.
Yeah, well,
If we were good pilots.
Exactly. At this point, everybody has realized that we're not. So, I mean, we got to be safe.
Thunder Wings 420, contact Jacksonville Center,
I'm just saying.
135.45, good day.
I'm not one
least
to talk,
one.
but let me tell you.
Thunder Wings 420, have a good day.
At least one of us is. I'll let the guys, you know, figure out who's the actual great pilot and who's the so-so. You see, that's the problem we have. And when I say we, I mean pilots.
Yeah, I don't. Because I don't, unlike, you know, a lot of pilots that are very cocky and arrogant, I know I'm not the best pilot out there. There are way better pilots out there than me. I admit it. Now, I'm not saying anyone in this cockpit's better than me. What I'm saying is I know there's better pilots than me.
Yeah, around, usually.
Yeah.
I mean, it's usually the way it goes with you.
I'm very aware of that. Now, with that being said, what I believe I'm good at is I'm good at managing the airplane. I'm good at managing, trying to stay ahead of everything.
Right.
I think that's where my skill set is at.
which is the only one you need to have. Let's be honest, if you're flying a jet, particularly this one, you better be ahead of the freaking plane or you're in trouble. And that's true for every airplane, but you know, there's certain types of planes that you gotta be actually.
Usually the guys that talk about how good of a pilot they are, they're usually the ones that'll scare you.
Correct, correct. That's why I'm the greatest.
Well, I was looking at you as I was saying that.
Yeah. I get it. I can read between lines, Christopher.
Can you though? Alright guys, well, we've been cleared to our cruising altitude at flight level 410. As you can see outside, it is a beautiful day. So we will check back in with you on the descent. So welcome back. We are currently in descent. We are heading to Florence. We're crossing through 310, across 20 this side of Florence at 240. You can see the weather still beautiful outside.
Number 841 Sierra Charlie, contact Jack Center 133.45.
133.45, 1 Sierra Charlie, so long. Jax, hello, November 841 Sierra Charlie 300, descending 240.
Number 841 Sierra Charlie, Jack Center, welcome. Going to maintain 15,000, leaving 230, flight by KB.
Descend and maintain 15,000, leaving 230, direct KB, 10 Charlie.
Performance altimeter 2989er.
29er, thank you.
Alright, leaving 130, direct KB.
November
230, sorry, what did I say?
132.902.
Sorry, 230, direct KB. Alright, got that standing by. You know what I meant.
Just making sure.
You need to translate. Christopher translations.
Jack Center 124.07.
My mind and my mouth don't work really well together. Which has really been the story of my life.
Exactly, I was about to say that, but hey.
Oh no. That's been the story of my life.
Number 1 Sierra Charlie, across KB at 15,250 knots.
KV 15,250 knots, 10 Charlie. Which we are set for that.
Yes, we are.
You want me to video it or?
Yeah, go ahead, just VTO it. Alright, let's do 180s.
180s in progress. Altimeters, I got 2989er 3 times. Recog, that's on. Pressurization, it's set for landing field elevation. No smoking, fasten seatbelt. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Fuel, I'll call that balanced.
Yeah, I'm pushing forward at the moment.
Sounds good. Alright, descent check's complete. 180 is complete.
Alright.
It feels like we're ending our day.
And we're just starting it.
And we're just starting.
Approach 119.3.
Yeah.
And I don't mean tiredness or anything. I just, you know, the time
of day, exactly.
The sun, the...
5439, contact Charleston approach 119.3.
Number 1 Sierra Charlie, you can expect the visual approach over at Statesville. Advise when you have the weather there.
Yeah, we have the weather at Statesville at 841 Sierra Charlie. We're probably going to use runway 28.
Put it.
Yeah, I got the AWS, the exact same thing we have on 4-flight.
Excellent, Smithers. Yeah, that 4-flight man's a game changer.
1010 hard to depart barbecue.
I think back when I used to, before it existed, when I used to fly without it. I don't know how I ever flew without it. One of those things you can't unsee.
Oh yeah.
AltCat.
Check.
Number 1 Sierra Charlie, and descend to maintain 900,000.
900,000, 1 Sierra Charlie. You got 9,000 on the window.
C9. Alright, approach checklist, senor.
Approach checklist in progress.
Circuit breakers are in on the left.
Circuit breakers, you said all in. I got them all in on my side. 4 down, system pressure. I got green on the hydraulics and green on the nitrogen. Landing data is set. Approach briefing, it has been briefed, and the cabin climate controls are as required. Approach checklist complete.
Roger. You take some of that heat out if you want, because it's a little warm on my side. I don't know, you cold? You
no,
okay?
no, I'm good.
Clear 841 Sierra Charlie, descend to maintain 5,000.
5,000, 10 Charlie. There's your 5.
I see 5.
Out of 10. I've noticed.
Clear 8410 Charlie, descend and maintain 3,300.
3,300, 10 Charlie.
Chart says 3,400.
Yeah, I've heard 3-3. What do you hear?
Said 3-3.
5874, shuttle departure.
The chart says 3-4.
Good afternoon, shuttle altimeters 2990, climb and maintain 5,000.
And approach November 8410 Charlie.
8410 Charlie.
Confirm altitude 3,400.
10 Charlie, yes sir, 3,400 now.
3,400, 10 Charlie. Thank you, sir.
Stockdown 5874.
That was not what he said.
Heading of 090,
yeah.
contact shuttle departure 124.0, good day.
We can go ahead and go flaps 8.
Alright, speeds checked, flap 8. And approach November 8410 Charlie, we have Statesville inside now.
8410 Charlie, see at the field.
We do have the field, we would like to cancel IFR at the moment.
8410 Charlie, thank you sir, IFR cancellation is received, squawk VFR, pre-exchange approved. Here's the aircraft is about a 5-mile final for runway 28, altitude indicates 2,900.
Sounds good, BFR cancellation is received, squawking 1200 and we're talking to the traffic on advisory. Statesville traffic, you have Learjet inbound runway 28, we're currently 9 miles final. Statesville traffic.
Be 2600?
What's that?
2600?
Yeah.
At 2600 please.
Exec 078 Mike Golf is 8 miles out inbound.
26 is set.
Thank you, sir.
Raleigh exec.
Got somebody 400 feet above us.
Yeah.
Alright, you got him?
I got him. That's the Skyhawk.
70 Charlie Papa. We are clear of the jet. We're actually going back to still do a simulated approach through Dunree into runway 28. Statesville.
And Statesville, that Learjet is currently 6 miles final, runway 28, and thanks for the help, guys.
You're very welcome, and we have you in sight, no factor.
I have you in sight, 10 Charlie Learjet, thank you.
Alright, slowing up, and go,
Statesville traffic, Cherokee 7.
Alright,
there you go,
there's
flaps 20, gear down, 4-lane checklist.
Northeast inbound, I'll fly the airport, enter left downwind, runway 28, touching over.
Alright, spoilers arm, engine sinks off, flaps 20, landing gear, down 3 greens. Landing and taxi lights are on, anti-skid lights are extinguished.
Alright, 165, flap
165, flap full.
9 miles out, straight in.
Indicating full, hydraulic pressures in the green, ignition's on, autopilot and yaw damper are disengaged before landing check complete.
Roger.
Statesville traffic, Learjet, 2 mile final, runway 28 for a full stop, Statesville. Is approach altitude set.
Roger. Winds off the right.
Correct.
500.
500, 3 green, flap.
3 greens, flap full, spoilers arm, anti-skid extinguished.
Minimums.
At the perimeter.
Go 8.
50, 40, 30,
Airspeed.
20, 10.
Extended. Deployed. Diesel. 100 knots. 80 knots. 70. 60. 40. There you go.
Alright, where are we going here?
Right.
Alright, after lane checklist.
In progress.
Clear left.
Statesville traffic, that Learjet is clear of runway 28, taxiing back via the main taxiway to the ramp. Statesville traffic.
Alright, welcome to Statesville, guys. For this flight, as always, like this video, see that thumbs up, subscribe button, biggest comment we receive is your subscription channel. Be sure tap L for notification and hit all. Join this mix of flights between the Lear and the Baron. And share with friends if you like what's going on here. And thank you, Jorge.
Anytime.
Alright, there's the line girl.
Station traffic Cherokee 752.
Alright, headsets
Bye
coming.
guys, till next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one. AC's off.
Of course.